Oh. Hi, I'm the ultimate snowstormer. Join me in my quest to find the ultimate avocado. My next stop is Flashing Pillow World. Oops, made a wrong turn.
Bathroom break.
Okay, that ought to do it. Let's go back to Flashing Pillow World. Here I am, Flashing Pillow World. Now let's look for that avocado. No avocado here. Nope, no avocado down there either. Oh wait, I think I found something. Nope, no avocado here. Oh well, back to the next place. Okay, my next stop is Flushing Waterfall World. Here I go. Oh boy, I made it. Flushing Waterfall World. Now let's see if I can find the ultimate avocado. Nope, not yet. But if I were an avocado, this is the perfect place to be. Wow, I got wet. I think I hear pterodactyls. I better go somewhere else. There's no avocado here. Oh boy, I made it to Sandland. I've been looking for Sandland for quite some time. Now I gotta look for avocados. There sure aren't any vegetations around here. I don't even see any trees. Let's look over here. Oh no!
Don't worry, I'll save you. Hi, how'd you hurt yourself?
Oh brother, I fell. But who are you?
I'm Zorak 7. You want some carrots? That's all we have on this planet.
Oh, carrots. Well, let me see the carrot.
Here.
Oh, I'm looking for an avocado. I've been searching for the ultimate avocado for a long time now, and I won't settle for a carrot. But maybe you can help me get up.
Sure.
Oh boy, thanks. Now, will you help me look for an avocado?
Sure, I'll join your quest.
Are there any around here?
Nope, all we have is carrots.
Well, do you have any recommendations? Where can we find an avocado?
Well, I have heard of this one place called Fire World. One of my friends said it has lots of fruit.
Okay, sounds good to me. Lead the way.
I fly like this because my engines are on both of my head and my bottom.
Oh, you're crazy. Look at me. I fly like a bad man.
Well, let's go to Fire World.
Okay, lead the way to Fire World. Are we almost there?
Nope, we still have to go into the dark tunnel of darkness.
I'm scared. Let's go to Fire World.
Nope, Fire World is over here though. Wait, just after the tunnel, there's gonna be fire and Fire World. Oh no, I broke a hinge! Stop! Stop! Fix me!
Okay, I'll fix you. Okay, back to normal.
Let's go!
Are we almost there?
Almost. It's right here.
Oh boy, fire! You weren't
Well,
kidding. There really is fire in Fire World.
Yep. Yeah, it's hard to get myself positioned.
Now, let's look for those avocados.
Okay.
Well, I see a lot of fire, that's for sure.
Well, I'll look over here.